Need to update your country on the Wish app? Let's learn how to change it. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in today's video, I will show you how to change your country on the Wish app. So let's get started. First, open the Wish app on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, you can find the settings option at the top right corner. Tap on it. Go to the account settings. Now, tap on the country or region option. Scroll down and find the country you want to switch to. Finally, tap on the country that you prefer and change country on Wish app. And this is how you can change the country on Wish app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button. Comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.